Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking to you about a type of poetry called Cinquain poetry. Cinquain poetry is similar to the haiku that we learned about. It was invented by an American poet named Adelaide Crapsey, and she took her inspiration from the Japanese form of poetry, haiku, and also from another form of Japanese poetry called tanka. And Cinquain poems are a 5-line poem, and they're meant to evoke a very vivid imagery and strong or powerful emotions. So we want to think about the topic of our poem carefully and then choose the words that we use creatively so that we can create or invoke that strong feeling about our topic. The imagery is when we paint a picture in our mind, so we can use those colorful adjectives so that the person reading your poem can make those pictures or images in their mind while they're listening to your poem. My first example poem is in honor of Earth Day, which is today, Wednesday, April 22nd, and it's actually the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. So we do want to acknowledge and celebrate that. It's a huge milestone. And we've been talking about, plants and planting and soil in science class, which is all connected to the earth and Earth Day. We also want to think about sustainability and the ways that we respect the earth and treat the earth and try to be advocates and stewards for the future of the earth and keeping our environment clean and cleaning up the environment, recycling, looking for alternatives to plastics, and really work on eliminating the pollution that has become part of the ocean environment. So my first poem is called Earth. And first I'll read it to you, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on paper so you can get a visual of what your poem can look like. Earth, home, life, breathing, spinning, nourishing, biodiverse, and suffering climate change world. I'll read it to you one more time, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It kind of becomes a shape because the first line is just one word, and that's my topic. The second line is 2 words describing the topic. The third line is 3 words that end in ing that have some connection to that topic. The fourth line is a description of the topic, and the fifth line is a synonym for the topic. So I'll read it one more time. Earth, home, life, breathing, spinning, nourishing, biodiverse, and suffering climate change world. So that's a little bit more serious. You can also write cinquain poems about fun topics. So my next example is called Spaghetti. Let's take a look at spaghetti. Spaghetti, messy, spicy, slurping, sliding, falling, between my plate and mouth, delicious. Okay, so that's what cinquains look like. And the recipe or directions for how to write the cinquain is included in your assignment on Google Classroom. So be sure to read those over and just follow along with that recipe as you write yours. And hopefully I've inspired you with some ideas for topics. So be creative and have fun. I can't wait to read your Cinquain.